Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to fix this error. There has been a problem in the Microsoft Store. So if you are facing the similar issue, this video is for you. I will show you how you can fix this issue. So first step is we can clear the cache of the Microsoft Store. So how we can do that? Just press Windows and R key on your keyboard, or even you can search here run, and once the run command opens, simply hit this command first, and this will reset basically the cache of your Microsoft Store. And once it is done, click on OK and it will open like this, and now you should be able to open and download any app from Microsoft Store. But if this is not working, what you can do is close this out, and now we are going to fix the issue with the 3 services must be running on your system in order to run Microsoft properly on your system. Open the system services from here, run them as admin. First look for Windows Update service, press W on your keyboard and look for the Windows service here, and this service should be running. If it is stopped like this, just make it automatic, then click on start, apply and OK. Now next service is Microsoft Store install service. This is very important. This should be running and must be automatic. You can see there this Microsoft Store install service. Make its startup type to automatic. Click on apply, click on OK, and it should be running. If it is already running but still facing the issue, you can restart the service here. Now third number service is background intelligent transfer service. This is bit service and this should be running as well. Press B on your keyboard and look for the service. Make a startup type to automatic. Start the service. Then click on apply and then click on OK. And now open the Microsoft Store and see if that is working or not. If that is still not working, then we can stop these services and clear the Windows Update cache from our Windows. Sometimes the Microsoft Store and Windows cache can cause this issue, and due to the conflict, that is the reason it is not working. So we can stop this Windows Update service, and this is bit service. So simply you can open your command prompt as admin, hit yes button, and you can simply hit these 2 commands step by step, or you can go to this directory and stop the service here. This is bit service and next one is Windows Update. This is the manual step here, but you can do with the help of the command prompt as well, here like this. And once both the services are stopped, go to this direction directly, C Windows Software Distribution. Open your C drive, Windows, then press S on your keyboard, Software Distribution, this, and under this folder select all of them and press Shift and Delete on your keyboard. And even you can delete it, but you should be delete them from Microsoft recycle bin. Do the stick and then all should be gone. Now this is the cache of the Windows Update. Now you have to restart your Windows, okay, and also run the service again, which we have stopped, this one and then this one. But you need to do it after you restarted your Windows, and hopefully that will be fix your issue. If that is still not working, so this is the advanced method to fix this issue. This command will basically re-register all the Microsoft packages on your Windows related to Microsoft Store here. As you can see here, the command is showing up get for all the users name Microsoft Store, Windows Store, and copy and paste this command simply on the PowerShell. Open PowerShell here as admin, hit yes, and simply paste this command here. Press enter key and this will show you result like this. Again, restart your Windows and hopefully your issue will be fixed. These methods are very powerful to fix this issue, Microsoft Store issue, which I have shown you. So these are the steps to fix the issue, and I hope your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.